Anthony from Bears on here. It's a brand new saltwater package we're offering. This goes for $299. You get everything you need to get into saltwater fly fishing. First, you're going to get a nice Reddington coastal rod. They tout it as a medium fast action rod. Definitely, it's going to be a 9-weight, so you can handle all the stripers, albies, bonito. Take it a little farther south, redfish, drum. We do offer this with a tropical line as well on the website, so you'll be able to target bonefish, snook, permit, small tarpon, small barracuda. 9-weight is a very, very versatile line weight. So you're gonna get that Reddington coastal rod. You're gonna get a Reddington behemoth reel. This is made from the ground up as a saltwater reel. Solid aluminum, so you're not gonna have to worry about rust or corrosion or any of that. Anything happens to the reel, they're gonna take care of you there as well. Reddington is one of the fastest turnaround warranty times in the business, and we're proud to be offering quality rod and reel at this price point. And if that's not enough, we also give you a premium Rio Coastal Quick Shooter XP line on this. This is a line most of us in the shop have fished, or still do fish, or fish from time to time. It's got a clear head, intermediate sink rate, and everything you need, whether you're starting from the beach or from the boat for stripers, or albies, or bonito, or redfish or drum. This is going to take care of it. It's got a monocore, so there's going to be a little more heat tolerant than some other lines, so you can really take this down in the Carolinas without any worries at all. If you want to fish tropical fish, like I said, we're going to have another option on the website. We'll give you this line, and it's also going to give you a warm water line. This is a loop-to-loop connection in the backing, so swapping out lines, super easy. And that will allow you to fish, for your bonefish, your permit, your small tarpon, snook, small barracuda, jacks, all that stuff. Very, very versatile rod, very, very versatile line weight. If you wanted to fish for salmon with this, if you go on the website as well, we're also going to offer a package that comes with a cold water line, tropical line, and a salmon line. So basically, you can fish from coast to coast for anything that you would fish for a 9-weight with. It's gonna work out well. I do have a little bit of wind here, but I'm going to start casting this rod so you can see the flex point. You'll see it's going to be a very, very forgiving casting rod, easy to cast all day. Timing doesn't have to be perfect, but that being said, this package is extremely well balanced. You see, right in the middle of the cork, they did a great job with this. Yeah, definitely not one of those rods where your timing has to be 100% perfect, but not one of those rods where you're going to outgrow either. I'm expert to beginner can fish this rod without any problems at all. It's not a super heavy rod package. Definitely, you can fish this all day without your arm falling off. Great deal. $299. We have quite a bit of these in stock. If you ever thought about getting into saltwater fly fishing, I mean, this is the way to go. You get premium Reddington rod, reel that they're going to back up with a lifetime warranty on both of them, so you never have to worry about anything going wrong with those. And it's not just some cheap line on there. This is a premium Rio Coastal Quick Shooter XP line. Everything's brand new. Everything's rigged. They give you a 20-pound striped bass leader on there to start, so you don't have to buy a leader. Basically, you take your package, walk down in the water, tie a fly on, and you're good to go. And they're also going to give you this Cordura rod and reel case, which is an outstanding value on its own. This is a 4-piece rod. Breaks down into 4 pieces. Fits in this case with the reel on, so you don't have to take the reel off. Great value. We have a bunch of these at the den. Let's cast this thing and see how it does. Okay, so I'm gonna start this the way I do every casting demo, just the head out, trying to get a feel for the flex point of the rod with just the head, and you'll see it flexes down to about 1/3 of the way down. It gets the head out quite easily, picks the whole head up easily. Now I like to throw a back haul into the cast because that's kind of the first haul that beginner and intermediate casters learn. It's still casting above the midpoint of the rod, which shows me this rod's going to have a nice strong butt section to fight fish, and it's still very easily smooth casting rod. And I'm just going to add a small double haul, see how the rod handles it. Again, flexes about the first third of the rod way down. You feel the rod load up pretty easily. Strip some more line out here. Really get after it, see how the rod handles it. But so far this is casting beautifully. For the price, you can't beat these things. That's a double haul, shot out line, about 70-foot cast here. Now I'm really going to get after it here with the double haul and see if I can shoot the whole line. Again, you can pick these up at bearsden.com. All 3 iterations of the kit. This rod's performed beautifully so far, handling hauls, double hauls, flexing right about to the 3rd point of the way down, and there you go, full 100 feet of line.